Pinegrow now includes a powerful, fully featured table editor. Let's begin by inserting a new table into our project. Since this is a Bootstrap project, when we open the Insert panel and search for Table, we see two different options for creating a table. The first, under UI Elements, is a pre-made Bootstrap component. This inserts a static sample table exactly as you see it in the preview. However, for creating a custom table from scratch, we'll use the second option under Tables Plain HTML. This is a smart component that gives us much more control over the initial setup. When we drag this onto the page, a dialog appears, allowing us to customize the new table before it's created. Here, we can set the dimensions. Let's change this to 5 columns and 3 rows. We can also choose to include a header, a footer, and placeholder content to start with. Because this project uses a supported framework like Bootstrap, we can check Style the Table to automatically apply the framework's default table classes. Let's click OK to create it. And there's our new table, inserted on the page with basic Bootstrap styling applied. The purpose of the table editor is to manage the table's structure, its rows, columns, and cells, rather than its visual style. For styling, you can use the standard visual controls in the Properties panel, which provide convenient access to Bootstrap's table styling options, such as striped or bordered rows. To edit the content of a cell, simply double-click it. You can then type your content and use the Tab key to quickly navigate from one cell to the next. When any element inside a table is selected, such as a cell, a new Table Tools menu appears in the Element's context menu. This menu provides a wide range of options for modifying the table's structure. You can resize the entire table, add or delete rows and columns, move them around, and even merge or split cells. To merge cells, simply select 2 or more adjacent cells while holding the Shift key. Then, open the Table Tools menu and click Merge Cells. The selected cells are now combined into a single larger cell. You can reverse this by either using Undo or by selecting the Merge cell and choosing Split Cell from the menu. This manual method is just one way to work with tables. If you have the Pinegrow AI Assistant activated, the best way to create tables is with Smart Insert. Now, if we drag the same plain HTML table component onto the page, the AI Assistant analyzes the surrounding content and intelligently generates not only the structure and styling, but also fills it with relevant data. Because our page heading is Discover Different Kinds of Pine Trees, the AI created a helpful comparison table, complete with species, needle type, cone size, and habitat. Furthermore, with Smart Insert enabled, these structural changes are also AI-powered. For example, when we add a new column to the right, the AI doesn't just add an empty column. It understands the context and populates the new cells with appropriate content, in this case, adding icons for each tree type. Notice it added a new icon header and placed a relevant icon in each row. So, to quickly recap the two main approaches, you can always work manually. The table tools give you full control over the structure, but you'll need to add and format all the content yourself. Alternatively, by activating the AI Assistant and using Smart Insert, every table operation from initial creation to adding new rows is enhanced by AI, which intelligently generates relevant content and styling for you, saving a significant amount of time.